Now this one is a special case of check valve which we call non-slam type. To understand the functioning of non-slam, we have to understand or compare it with the swing type check valve. Okay, now we have already discussed this type of swing type check valve where it is opening with the flow and getting closed. If you see, if a swing valve sees a number of slamming incident means one, it's open, it closes, it opens and it closes, then it start hitting at the seat, so it may get damaged and there will be a repeated action which will cause some damage to the seats. If a swing sees a number of slamming incidents, it is possible for the hinged pin which is holding the disc in place to crack or break off. Okay, this hinge may get damaged. Okay, when the swing check finally closes, it abruptly stops the flow. When it is in a closed position, it abruptly stops the flow, okay, which is coming back, and causes a pressure surge resulting in the shock waves. If you see, this kind of shock waves will be generated once it gets closed. So these shock waves again creates pressure which may damage the valve. What is happening in non-slam, it utilizes a coil spring. If you see, there is a coil spring inside this valve downstream from the valve disc that moves the disc towards the seat. Okay, this spring brings it back to the seat as soon as the flow velocity slows down. Okay, as the flow velocity slows down, it slowly comes back. The spring helps it bring back to the closed position. This valve is designed to be closed just before zero flow is reached. Okay, when zero flow is, then it slowly closes it and brings it to the closed position, thereby eliminated backflow. With no backflow, the cause of water hammer disappears. Okay, if you see, the pressure spikes, waves are very less if you compare it with swing type, and here non-slam check valve. This is the difference. The shock wave is very less and it goes and it disappears very fast. Okay, so this way this non-slam check valve is different from swing type check valve. In oil and gas fundas knowledge sharing platform, we have covered all these topics. Time duration against each topic is mentioned here. Now in 2-minute funda part 1 series, we are going to cover 30 topics. I'm sure you're watching the HD and non-HD format along with the subtitles. So keep on watching, keep sharing knowledge.